All right, let's go on the record in the matter of People State of Michigan versus Crystal Dix, file 222589SD. Let's have appearances.
Yeah, Mike Zakrzewski appearing on behalf of the people.
Strasser on behalf of Crystal Dix.
All right, Ms. Dix, go ahead and state your name, please.
Crystal Dix.
Okay.
Trying to get to a
And,
quiet place. I'm in school.
All
Okay.
right. Ms. Strasser, we are, well, actually, hold on a second. We are doing a sentencing, I'm sorry. This is a sentencing to impaired and a suspension. So, Mr. Zakrzewski.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm just checking to see if there was a recommendation. So this was originally a high BAC case. Even though the Need 6 report showed up a low risk, we are recommending a short term of probation in this case. Thank you.
Okay. Ms. Strasser, go ahead.
Thank you. This is a old 2017 case. Ms. Dix, we understand that this was a high blood alcohol content. Her need 6 came back very favorably, low risk, low need. Since 2017, Ms. Dix has started school. She's at the East Valley Institute in Arizona. She'll graduate this year with her nursing degree. This is something that really changed her life from the better, and she has turned her life around, is getting her education, is working, and has learned and moved forward. She's had no other incidents since 2017. She was able to get her license back to drive as well. So we ask that be taken in consideration with the court and ask for fines and costs only. Thank you.
Ms. Dix, what would you like to say?
I have I didn't know anything about this. The warrant. I actually, when I went to move from Michigan to Arizona, I was the one that did the digging because the officer didn't finish his process work, and when they put the warrant out, I was already moved here, so I came back to take care of everything I needed to take care of so that I could finish school. And I have not had any interaction.
Yeah, I think you knew it was out here, right? I mean,
no, it wasn't. No.
Well,
Officer, I'm sorry, Judge.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Wait 1 second. I'm not saying you knew that there was a warrant. I'm not trying to call you out on that. That's not what I'm saying. But you knew there was something going on when you had a high blood alcohol charge going. You knew that there was going to be a consequence, right?
No. Here's the honest truth. When I went to renew my tags in 2022, because I think that's when it was put out, 2022, the lady at the Secretary of State, she was like, hey, I need you to contact state of Michigan because in the paperwork it's saying that you should have an SR-22. I didn't even know what SR-22 was. She explained it to me. I called the state of Michigan. No one knew about anything.
That may well be true. I'm not questioning that.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm saying is not in 22, but in 2017, when you were stopped for operating with high blood alcohol, you knew there's going to be a consequence, right?
I didn't know anything. Okay, so what happened was this was involved with another. It was 2 cases for this whole thing. The other case was thrown out. The officer that was there, he came to the other court date. So at that time, I thought everything was all together. I knew nothing of this until I thought it was all together. I didn't know anything until I went to renew my tags in Michigan before I moved here.
All right. And now I'm concerned because I was really of a mind here to go with no probation and no sort of follow-up. But now I need to reconsider this. Because there is absolutely no ownership or no acknowledgement.
No, I take full ownership of it. That's why I came in.
I'm speaking right now because
I'm sorry.
When I gave you a couple of opportunities to say that you knew there's going to be a consequence to drinking and to driving with high blood alcohol content, and you've told me not once but twice that you had no idea that there was going to be any sort of consequence whatsoever of any kind, and that's just not how the law works in Michigan. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's not how it works in Arizona either. I'm going to give you an opportunity to visit with her if you'd like, Ms. Strasser, but I need owning this. If I'm going to go ahead and sentence here today, I might need to reschedule it, but right now I'm frankly taken aback. It's not where I expected this to come from. I expected this to actually be someone coming into court and acknowledging that this is an issue that you've learned and you've grown and things like that. But boy, I tell you, to say that there is no, this is didn't know anything about it, don't have any idea why this is out there. I can't do it. So if you want a breakout room, I'll give you a breakout room. But right now, I'm not ready to.
Judge? Can I say
Nah,
something?
right
Yes,
now,
if
you
we can
can't.
have a breakout.
You're gonna. I don't want you to dig yourself a lot deeper than you already are right now. I was trying to dig you out, and you insisted on digging down. So, you want a breakout room, Ms. Strasser, or not?
Yes, please.
All right, let's recall the matter of People State of Michigan versus Dix, file 222589 SD. Anything further you wanted to state in regard to this matter, Mr. Zakarzaki?
No, Your Honor, nothing further.
Ms. Strasser?
Thank you, Ms. Dixon. I did speak in the breakout room. I believe she misunderstood the question of the court. She is taking extreme accountability for this matter, understands that this is something that is very serious, and that even though this was a 2017 case, moving forward, how that looked to the court and her statements to the court were a result of her misunderstanding the question. She does want to accept accountability. She does want to move forward, be able to get her nursing license, continue to work, and continue to be a productive member of society. So we would ask for fines and costs still in this matter. Thank you.
Ms. Dix, anything
Yes.
you'd like to say?
I just want to apologize, sir. I completely misunderstood your questioning, and I take full accountability.
All right, we'll go ahead and thank you. We will go ahead and assess $100 for the Needs 6 survey. I'm going to require you to attend victim impact panel and complete the highway safety alcohol course within 90 days. Fines are $200, state costs $50, court costs $400, crime victim rate fee of $75 for a total of $825. And I'll give you 90 days to take care of that.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck to you. You can
There's
leave the
a
court.
count two, Judge.
Oh, I forgot about count two. Yeah, I'm gonna do count two. 1 second. Count two being the operating with suspended license revoked. That is going to be fines of $100, state costs of $50, court costs of, well, I'll reduce that to $100 for a total of $250. Normally it'd be 425, but we're going to go with a lesser amount at this point due to the age of this matter. And that then will be $1,075, and again, over 90 days.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.